Morning guys. So it is currently 7:23 a.m. I look and sound like crap. Why is my hair so knotty? But yeah, anyway, so we have just got up this morning, so we are off to the Halloween farm today. So yeah, I'm just gonna get us up. I sound like I've got a really bad cold this morning. So yeah, I'm gonna get us up and then I will check in with you guys in a bit. So little man is ready for the farm. This is his outfit. How cute, little pumpkins. You're gonna say hi? Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Hi guys, so this is my outfit for today. So I went for like a little red devil. The makeup's just really simple. I'm staying at my dad's, so I didn't actually bring all of my kit with me. But yeah, so this is my little devil ears for today. So yeah, really simple. Today we're a devil. So I will check in with you guys when we are either in the car or when we get there. Bye guys. So we are about to leave. So yeah, I will check in with you guys in a bit when I get there. So see you later. Hi guys, so we have arrived. It's absolutely manky out here, like covered in mud, but it's fine. Yeah, look at the state of this floor. Oh my god. So we're just gonna walk through. Oh my god, how amazing is this? Oh, this is so cool. Pumpkin.
Sausage.
Oh, it's so bright out here. Right, so we are gonna go and look at some pumpkins. There's my father. Say hi. Hi. So yeah, we're gonna go and we're gonna have a look at some of the pumpkins. This place is mental, guys. How cool is that?
See? Martin's business, didn't people?
So we're just going to walk down to the pumpkins. So we've just found this really cute little cafe shop, a little restaurant. It's so cute. Wow. Ooh. So we just stopped for some lunch. He's enjoying his sweet potato fries and his bread. Still poorly. So we just picked up this whole bag of sweets. I'll do a little haul and show you them all later. So cute. Oh, he's still tired, bless him. So we're just gonna go over here, if I can zoom in. Don't think I can. And we're gonna go and have a look at the pumpkins. So yeah, it's been a pretty good morning so far. So now we're just gonna go and have a look at some pumpkins. Exciting time. So they've got some really cool like decorations and stuff. How amazing is this? So creepy. These are amazing. Look how creepy all of these are. I'm trying so hard not to slip over right now. Hi guys, so that is literally it for today. So yeah, there was loads of like rides, loads of attractions, we just got something to eat. So it's been a really nice day. So yeah, so anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful Halloween. So yeah, anyway, I will leave this here and I will love you all, leave you all, and I shall see you in my next video.